So we are here at Cathedral Square. So what is this? It's called Christmas in Cathedral Square, Craft Market, Colmore Row, Birmingham. Open daily 7th November until 24th of December. So that's one of the entrances. So you can see cookies. I need to be careful sometimes. They come and make me stop making videos. Different sort of honey and plantain chips. Wow, it's beautiful, guys. And what about this side? People are sitting here. This is sort of round slide. Beautiful. We got Christmas tree here. So, donuts, dessert shop. So I'm almost in the center of the park now, square now. Another burger shop. Wash. What we got here? The bar. I think you can go upstairs and sit on the top to have a view as well. So what is this? I don't know. Caramelized something. Toast, marshmallows. So back side of this is pigeon in the park. So we are right in the middle. You can see church or just going this way. Fragrances. So one of the stall is empty. You can come and start your own business. This is one of the entrances. The cheese shop. This sort of gift shop. So if you are really into marshmallows, buy from here and grill from there in the middle. You can see this. So we are going this way. So sort of chicken shop, alcohol, rum, brandy, the desserts, and another gift shop. So there is another entrance, third one. So we got one more stall free if you want to come and start business here. So jewelry shop. So what is this? You want to buy a drink from here? Cathedral. Oh wow, look at this, guys. So I'm gonna come back there. Another bar. Asha's Indian street food. So if you are into Indian street food, come and buy from there. This is a hot chocolate coffee van. I don't know, these are frames, cards, another one free, two more. There are 4 total straws are free. You can come and start your business. Another gift shop. So this one is bread shop. So this is another entrance. It's a gift shop. Same here, mugs, cups. It's beautiful. All right. Loaded fries. If you really like loaded fries, personally I like loaded fries. Another sweet shop, desserts, a gift shop, and raw honey and superfoods. Another entrance or exit. Then we come this side. So back of this side is beautiful Christmas tree with the ride. So one more is free. I don't know if it's for business or not. I think total 4, 5 are free. So this is mix and match.
I'll put it in the bag.
So beautiful Christmas tree with ride. You can come with your children, sit and enjoy. Really interesting, guys. I love to have a bird eye view if you see the lighting here. Oh wow. Chinese shop. Fried chicken. And sort of dessert shop. You might see this one here. Alright, so nearly completed. I think so. So you can come from this side as well. They got a lot of seating arrangement. Buy a drink, food, and sit here. Enjoy.